Welcome to Smart Education. This is Monday Math Challenge number 4. Today we are going to do a matchstick puzzle. So in this matchstick puzzle, you have to move only one matchstick to make the equation correct. So this is our equation, 8 plus 3 equals to 9. Remove one and make it correct. Your time starts now. Time's up. So the correct answer is 6 plus 3 equals to 9. This can be done by removing one stick from 8. If you want more brain puzzles, then please comment down and subscribe now to Smart Education.